Have you ever felt trapped by other people's expectations or worried too much about what others think of you? That's exactly the courage to be disliked by Ichiro Kishimi and Fumitake Koga tackles. And let me tell you, this book is a real eye opener. The book is written as a conversation between a philosopher and a young man, which makes it feel more like a story than a self help guide. The dive into the teachings of Alfred Adler, a psychologist who believed that your past doesn't define your future, instead, it's your choice in the present that matter. One of the most powerful takeaways for me is the idea that seeking approval from others is what holds us back. The authors challenge you to live your life based on your own values and not what society or other people expect. It's uncomfortable at first, but the message is empowering. Now, I'll be honest, some parts of the book are pretty bold and can even feel a bit confrontational, especially if you are used to thinking that your circumstances shape your life. But if you are willing to sit with the discomfort, this book can completely show how view relationships, responsibility, and happiness. So if you are ready to question everything you thought you knew about life and start living with more freedom, this book is for you. I've linked it in the description, so grab a copy and see for yourself. Have you read this one yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to share if it's changed your perspective like it did mine. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.